In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem your Etsy gift card. Whether you received one as a thoughtful gift or you purchased it for yourself, using it is a straightforward process. We'll get into that right now. First, you'll need to head to Etsy's website. Specifically, you'll want to navigate to the Redeem Your Gift Card page. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL www.etsy.com/redeem. Once there, you'll find yourself on the page dedicated to redeeming gift cards. It's designed to be user-friendly, making your shopping experience smoother. Now that you're on the right page, it's time to redeem your gift card. Have your gift card handy, as you'll need the code that's typically found on the back of physical cards or included in the email if you have a digital one. The process here is simple, but here's a quick tip. Make sure you've logged into your Etsy account before trying to redeem your card. This way, the balance can be automatically applied to your account, making future purchases seamless. Next, you'll see a field where you can enter your gift card code. Carefully type in the code, being mindful of any letters and numbers to avoid any errors. It's important to double check what you've entered to ensure that there are no mistakes, as this can prevent you from successfully redeeming the card. After entering the code, it's time to click on the Redeem button. This action will apply the balance of your gift card to your Etsy account immediately. It's as simple as that. The funds will now be available in your account, and this balance will automatically be used on your next purchase. If the item you want to buy costs more than your gift card balance, the system will prompt you to pay the remaining amount using another payment method of your choice. On the other hand, if the balance covers your purchase, there's nothing more to do but confirm your order. There you have it, a simple guide to redeeming your Etsy gift card. Make sure to explore the vast selection of unique items Etsy offers. From handmade crafts to custom jewelry, there's something for everyone. By following these steps, you'll be shopping with your gift card balance in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping on Etsy.